Hi guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to be talking about what is on everybody's mind, which is how do you stay relevant in tech when AI keeps replacing everything. Now we have all seen headlines like AI can write code, AI can create art, AI can replace jobs, and then you are wondering if AI can do all those things, how do I still stay relevant in tech? Which in this video we're going to be breaking them down and also have a clear roadmap of not just how to survive in the AI era but also thrive through it. Hi guys, this is Chibuke Bennett from Skitch Motion, and if first time to my video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and stick to this video. Now let's go to the first section of this video, which is understanding the situation. Now AI isn't here to take over jobs, it's here to change the way jobs are done. Now during the era of calculator, when calculator first came out, accountants thought that their jobs will be taken over by calculators, but calculator helped the job by solving this boring calculation, why accountants started focusing on bigger financial decisions. Likewise, when cars were invented, horse carriers lost their jobs, but then mechanics, drivers, engineers, and entire industries were born. Now, the same thing happens with AI. Yes, some tasks will be automated, but new opportunities will also be created. Now, the section 2 of this video is core mindset shift. Now, the first step in staying relevant in tech is a mindset shift. Now, the people who wins the AI era are not the people who fight against AI, but rather they are the people who use AI as a tool. Now think of AI like an electricity. Now you can't fight electricity. You just need to plug into it and use it. Now the same thing is also true for AI. Now to the main part of this video, which is practical skills to stay relevant. Now we talk about 5 big practical skills you can apply or use to stay relevant in this AI era. Now the first one is learn how AI works. Now you don't need to be an AI scientist, but you should understand the basics. What is AI? What can AI do? What can't AI do? For example, AI is great at pattern recognition, but it doesn't understand emotion or context like human do. Now, the part 2 of this section is focus on skills AI can't replace. Now, AI may be good in things, but they're not good in human qualities. They may be good in text, images, and code, but there's some human qualities that they are not good at. And you should focus on those qualities. Now, we can focus on those qualities. Example, leadership, emotional intelligence, creativity with real life context, and critical thinking. Now, the beginner action I can give you is practice communication, storytelling, problem solving, and also teamwork. This will always make you so valuable. Now, the third part of this video of this section is you use AI as a tool in your work. Now, instead of fearing it, use it as a tool. If you're a software developer, a developer, you can use it to fasten debugging. Also, if you're a designer, you can use it to generate ideas. And also, if you're a student, you can use AI to learn faster. Now, the fourth part of this section is learn tech skills that are AI proof for now. Now, certain skills are becoming more important, not less. For example, cybersecurity, AI build risks. So experts are needed to protect systems. Also, product management, AI can build things, but humans decide what to build. Also, data analysis, AI processes data, but humans interpret what it means. So these are tech skills that are AI proved. Now, the beginner action is pick one skill you are curious about and start learning it slowly. And now, the fifth part of this section is keep adapting and learning. Now, 10 years ago, TikTok content strategists didn't exist. And also, 10 years from now, there are some jobs that will exist that we don't know that could even exist. And why are all this possible? Because tech changes fast. Now, beginner action is develop the habit of continuous learning. Even though you learn 30 minutes of something a day continuously, it will go a long way. So guys, to the section 4 of this video, which is common fears and myths. So we're going to bust them all down. The first thing is AI will take all jobs. But now, the truth is AI takes tasks, not entire jobs. Now, if humans can use AI as a tool, their work will be simpler. Now, the second myth is if I don't know coding, I'll be left behind. But the truth is, no, that's not true. Many jobs will use AI without coding. Skills like communication, creativity, and management matter a lot. And now to the myth three is it is too late to start learning tech, but that is very false. Beginners nowadays are learning faster because of the use of AI tools, which makes them to learn faster. And now to the simple beginner plan. And now this is the 3 big plans to stay relevant. And now to the first plan is learn the basics of AI. Now understand it, don't fear it. And now to the plan 2 is pick one tech related skill. Now it could be coding, product management, cybersecurity, or even content creation. And now to the third plan is use AI as a tool. Now, even though you just give this plan 1 hour every day, by the end or in a year, you'll be far ahead of many people. And now to the final section of this video, AI is not your enemy. You can use it as a tool. So the best thing to do is in your work, you can use AI as a tool to make everything you're doing easier. As a student, you can implement AI as a tool to make learning faster. Now you are not replaceable unless you stop learning. So now to everyone watching this video, don't be afraid of AI. be curious, be adaptable, and also keep learning. And that's how you stay relevant in tech, even when AI keeps replacing everything. And if you found this video valuable or helpful, don't forget to like and comment, and also subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get more beginner friendly video like this one. So bye, and I'll see you guys in my next video.